Hello, hello, everybody. It's Tina from Tina's Crafty Life. How are you? I hope you're good. It's Thursday, and I have a very small haul, but I wanted to share it anyways. So I went to Michael's because me and Scott were in that area, and I'm like, I need razor blades. Just swing into Michael's because we weren't anywhere near like a Walmart or a hardware store. I know I probably could have paid cheaper, but I thought I can use my coupon. So I needed X-Acto blades, so I got a set of them. And finally, I've been looking for this for a while, and Sabrina reminded me of it last night, matter of fact, because she got hers on. I'm like, yeah, I wanted one of those. I said, where'd you find yours? She said Joann's, and I'm like, oh, I'll have to look there. Well, I decided to look when I was at Michael's getting the blades. Finally found it. Last one in stock they had. I've been wanting this for a while. It's the swivel detail X-Acto knife. You can put it on your finger, and you can use it like a pencil. So I grabbed me that. That's my big Michael's haul. Then I went to the Dollar Tree. First thing I saw in the Dollar Tree, and I don't need it, but I had to get it. I didn't need it, but it was one of those, some soda bottle with a red truck for 4th of July on. I'm going to use it. The only thing is I wish they had a tip on it, a little thing, so I got some of them. I'm just going to put that on my straw. I'm going to use this on 4th of July and go out to Diamonds. So I know it's mine. So it got me that. I thought it was so cute, darn cute. Then another design, which was a red bottle, and it's like, I believe stars. And then a while ago, BMO sent me this. Okay. And you put the essential oils in it. Well, I kept on forgetting to buy essential oils. And I happened to be going down the aisle, and voila! And I love vanilla, so I picked up me a vanilla. So I got to put some in that in a little bit. And then I found a set of stickers. And when I organized my stickers the other day, I realized I didn't have a lot of summer stickers. So I saw this set. I figure in the future there would probably be a summer pocket letter. So I grabbed that for that. It says, welcome to the pool. Ride the wave. Party. Swim like a fish. Has like flippy flops. Seashells. A hat with sunscreen and glasses, ice cream, a beach ball, an umbrella, sand pail, and then a sand castle. So I grabbed that. And then I love these. And I bought what they had. I thought these are the cutest stickers I've seen in a while. Greatest Artists. It has a paint tray, the easel, I love art, a little mixed media light bulb here, the paint thing, create, paint tubes, unique, creativity is magical. And it has this weird looking hat for some reason. Looks like colored pencils and another paint tube. I grabbed 4 of those. I thought they were the cutest thing. And that is my dollar haul. Woohoo! Like I said, not much. It's a very small haul. And next door to this Dollar Tree, because I wasn't at my usual Dollar Tree, is a Ross. And I thought, I'm going to go into Ross, see what they have. I haven't been in there since Christmas. So you can definitely tell I am the child of the late 80s and 90s. And you'll see why. Coming up right now. Neon colored paints. They have the neon yellow, the neon orange, the neon pink, the neon green, and the neon purple. I was like, oh my God, them are coming home with me. The only pack they had. I paid $5.99. I didn't think that was bad, actually. You figure for those 7.5 millimeter tubes, that's not bad. I figure that's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. I paid $1 a color, basically. So, no different than buying them at the Dollar Tree. So, I got that. And then, I saw this. And I'm always bitching about my Holtz scissors. And I'm like, oh, I want that tiny scissors in this pack. Came with this size scissors, this one, the large scissors, and then a medium. And I turned it on at Wander West. I've never heard of them, so I don't even know if they're good scissors. I'm hoping they are. And it was $4.99. Then I went to check out, and they came up for $2.99. So I saved some money there. So that was kind of cool. And that is my big haul. All, like I said, it wasn't big. So that is my big shopping spree today. It's spontaneous. We were just out and about. So I want to thank you guys for watching. And I will talk to you later. As always, be happy, be kind, be safe, be funny, be crafty, and bye for now, everybody.